In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to connect your iPad to Android TV. So let's get started. Now I'm gonna go over the best three methods to do this. The first method is works only if your Android TV supports AirPlay. So you have to go to your TV settings and search for the AirPlay 2 option somewhere in settings, okay? Once you find that option, then just go ahead and enable it. Now, if you don't find this option, don't worry, I'm gonna go over an alternative later in the video. So once you've enabled this option, what you have to do is you have to go ahead and make sure that both your TV and app and your iPad are connected to the same Wi-Fi. So you can see that my Wi-Fi is Maddie Wi-Fi, the name. So make sure both your devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi. Then what you can do is you're gonna head over here and click on this option of screen mirroring. From here, you're gonna select your Android TV, whether it's Sony, Samsung, or whatever. Just go ahead and select it, and your iPad screen should replicate itself on your TV screen. Now, that's the first method, which only works if your TV supports AirPlay. Now, let's say your TV does not support AirPlay, then you have to go to your Google Play Store and install this app right here, AirScreen. Now, once you install this app, then you have to obviously inside this app enable AirPlay. Then you have to follow basically the same steps, going up and going to screen mirroring and choosing either the app or the TV, whatever option is more relevant. Now, that's the second method. The last, and you could say the most stable method, which is definitely gonna work, is using an adapter. So you can see that this is a USB-C to an HDMI adapter. Now, some latest iPads use USB-C, but some older iPads also use lightning cable. So depending on your iPad, you can just go ahead to Amazon, search up lightning to HDMI adapter or USB-C to HDMI adapter, and just go ahead and buy it for a couple of dollars. And then you can just connect one end to your iPad and HDMI goes on the other end. This is basically the same system as connecting your laptop to a monitor or to a TV. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.